Hi guys, long time no parfait. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this delicious mango granola parfait, guys. It was so easy to make, so stay tuned and let's get started. So for my recipe I'm using some Greek yogurt, plain one, mango and granola. So this was my homemade granola. If you want to know how to make it, you can quickly go and watch my previous video. We'll start by adding some mango, but not all because we need the cubes one as well. I'm gonna be adding some and blend it into puree. So guys, that's what it's looking like. The next thing is to grab your favorite parfait cups or plates or anyone. Then we are going to do the magic. I just like how parfait look beautiful from outside, So guys, you can add honey to your yogurt if you want, and you can go for flavored yogurt. So I just like mine plain because of I want it to look beautiful. And yes, you can just do it to any choice or anything that you like. Okay, you can design it any way you want it. So it's just perfect. You have to do your magic. Do what? Do yourself. Do you? Okay. So guys, we just did our granola mango parfait now. Okay, so try my recipe, share with friends and family, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. See you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe, and be happy. Eat healthy. Bye.